Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of My Acoustic Lounge. My name is Troy Haas. Thanks for tuning in today. We've got a great guitar tutorial and cover for you. It's called Rockin' Me. It was written by Steve Miller and performed by his band, the Steve Miller Band. Released as a second single from their 9th studio album, Fly Like an Eagle, this song peaked at #1 on the Billboard Hot 100. Let's take a few minutes now and look at the chords and the chord progression to this #1 hit. Okay, 3 very easy chords to play in this particular song. Let's have a look at them now. First chord is an A major. There's a G major. And then there's a D chord. Let's have a look again. A major. G major. And a D chord. Now those 3 chords are what's used through the entire song. The intro to the song is slightly different, and we're going to review that in a couple of minutes. For now though, let's go through the chord progression to this song really quickly. Okay, so now we've looked at the chords. Let's take a few minutes now and look at the chord progression and a little bit of strumming. Just a quick note, for my cover and tutorial of this song today, I'm using a capo on the 1st fret. If you want to play along with me with this tutorial, make sure you put your capo there. A little bit further to that point, if you want to play along with the album, use the same chords that we're reviewing today, but put your capo on the 2nd fret. And you can play along with the album song itself. Okay, a little bit of strumming and a little bit of the chord progression. It's a standard rock and roll song, 4/4 count. Starts on the A major chord. Let's have a look. Here we go. Goes to the G. To the D chord. Back to the A. Well, I've been working real hard, trying to find a job. It's getting tougher every day. But I gotta do my part, 'cause I know in my heart I gotta please my sweet baby, yeah. So keep on rocking me, baby. 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 And that's it. That's the chords, the chord progression, and a little bit of strumming for the entire song. And the best part about this particular song is that both the chorus and the verse use the same chord patterns and strumming technique. Makes it really easy. Okay, let's take a few minutes now and have a look at that intro that they do to the song. It is slightly different. It can use the same chords, but it's slightly different. I'll take you through that really quickly. Okay, the intro. There are a couple of different options that you have, and we'll review both of them. The intro also incorporates the same chords, an A, a G, and a D. But you have another option to do bar chords, which, if I'm not mistaken, they do on the album itself anyway. Power chords, if you will. They use a G major bar chord, an A major bar chord, and a D minor bar chord. We'll review both of them to give you a general idea. And then what we'll do is we'll quickly look at that little lead riff that they do before they go on to the bulk of the song. We'll have a look at both. Okay, the intro. We're going to slow it right down so that you can get a better understanding of the progression and how it works. Again, it uses the same 3 chords. Then we'll speed it up so you can kind of get an idea how it should sound. We'll go very slow. I'm going to start on the G major chord for the intro. Here we go. Starts G. To the A. D, to the A, back to the D, back to the A. Again, G, to the D, to the A, sorry. Then to the D, back to the A, and then to the D, back to the A. All right, that was pretty slow. Let's speed it up to kind of give you a general idea of how it should sound. Starting again on the G. Here we go. That's basically it. Let's take a couple of minutes now and look at the bar chord version that they do for this opening riff. Okay, the bar chord version of the intro. You have to have a general understanding of how bar chords work in order to get through this particular part if you choose to use this version. I'm not going to get into the technical finger placement of how a bar chord works. Look at my diagrams that pop up with the chord and the finger placement, and that will certainly help you. At any rate, starts on the G major bar chord. We're going to go slow. Starts on the G major. Here we go. And then up to the A, which is on the 5th fret. Now, keeping that same finger pattern, simply lift all your fingers off, move them down one string on the 5th fret, and that's your D minor. And then back to the A major. Okay, and that's really it for the bar chord or the power chord version of it. This is how it should sound, speeded up just a little bit. Here we go. That's it. Again, you have to have a general understanding of how bar chords are played and how they work in order to get through that part. You have two options here. Let's take a couple quick seconds and look at that opening little guitar riff that they do before they jump into the song. That's that little opening riff that they do after the intro and into the song, but before the song itself. Everything with that little opening riff happens on the 6th and the 5th string on the 3rd fret. The open notes are very simple, although they'll take some practice to get down and get down smoothly. Basically starts on the 6th string with the open E. Then to the G. Then you go to an open A on the 5th string, 3rd fret. Then to a C. Then back to the G. And then back to the A. That's really it. Very simple to do, but you do have to practice that a few times and to get it down correctly. Okay, we've gone through a lot of material, and don't forget the bulk of this song is still very easy with only 3 chords in it. So now we're going to mic it up. I'm going to call on a great backbeat from my Beatbuddy by Singular Sound. Practice that a few times and be ready to join me.
I've been working real hard trying to find a job, but it's getting tougher every day. But I gotta do my part, 'cause I know in my heart I gotta please my sweet baby, yeah. Well, I ain't superstitious and I don't get suspicious, but my woman's a friend of mine. And I know that it's true, that all the things that I do will come back to me in my sweet time. So keep on rocking me, baby. 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 I've been to Phoenix, Arizona, all the way to Tacoma, Philadelphia, Atlanta, LA, Northern California, where the girls all want, so I can be with my sweet baby, yeah. Keep on rocking me, baby. 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 Don't get suspicious now, don't be suspicious, girl, you know you're a friend of mine. And you know that it's true, that all the things that I do will come back to you in your sweet time. I've been to Phoenix, Arizona, all the way to Tacoma, Philadelphia, Atlanta, LA, Northern California, where the girls all want, so I can hear my sweet baby say, so I can hear her say, yeah, yeah. Keep on rocking me, baby. 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 Baby, 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 keep on rocking me, baby. Keep on rocking me, baby. Keep on rocking me, baby. Keep on rocking me, baby.
And there you have it, Rockin' Me, written by Steve Miller and performed by his band, the Steve Miller Band. It was a #1 hit in 1976. Thank you for tuning in to my Acoustic Lounge. My name is Troy Hawes. If you like my videos, please hit the subscribe button. I do truly, truly appreciate it. Until the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.